This is a quick kitchen tip. If you're cooking bacon, I already made some over here. Bacon is going to shrink. That's natural because of the fat and the water that's released from it when it cooks. But it does not have to shrivel up. You know how when you make bacon, it shrivel up and it curls up and all that good stuff? Well, if you don't want your bacon to do that and you want it to lay flat like it would be if it was baked, and I know bacon takes a lot longer, so sometimes if I'm in a rush or I'm ready to eat right away, I would just put it in on the top of the stove and I'll put a top over it. The moisture and the vapors that are created inside here is what keep the bacon from curling up. So you don't put the top on right away. You put it in here for a couple seconds and let it start to cook, and then you put the top on, and your bacon will stay flat instead of curling up into little balls like that. So that's just a quick kitchen tip. Today I'm cooking some grits. Oh, okay, they acting up today. And I'm making some homemade biscuits. Going to make homemade biscuits and cheese eggs and a fruit parfait that I created. So I'll be doing more kitchen tips like this. If you enjoy these kitchen tips and want to know things in the kitchen that frustrate you, or you want to stop seeing certain things happen when you create certain things, you can definitely leave comments and let me know, and I'll do my best to try to share a video on that. All right, talk to you guys later and have a great week.